Welcome to the Voxtelesys Portal Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up user management. To begin, log into the Voxtelesys portal. Click on the User Management tab. You can use this page to grant users access to this account, edit the permissions of existing users, or revoke a user's access. Click on the Add/Invite User button. From here, you can add a user's email. Select the permission presets of Account Admin, Technical, Accounting, Viewer, or Custom. If you select the Custom option, you'll want to customize permissions for this user manually below. View provides read-only access to users, while Manage provides both read and write access. Click on Save when you're finished. You can click on the Edit icon to alter a user and a user's permissions. Congratulations! You've successfully set up user management in the Voxtelesys portal. Check back for more helpful videos on the Voxtelesys portal, as well as other helpful guides.